For problem 5, we want to interpret the confidence interval that we found in part 4. We have 4 options to choose from, and only one of them makes sense. We have seen that the interpretation of a confidence interval follows the pattern that we have written down here for part 1. We are 95% confident that the true proportion of people under 25 who use an iPhone is between the lower and upper bound that we found in part 4. However, for the other 3 options, let's look at why they are not good choices. Option 2 says that there's a 95% chance that the true population parameter is 74%. We can't say anything about the true parameter and a probability that it goes along with it. Either the true population parameter is 74%, or it is not 74%. So there's either a 100% chance that this will occur, or there's a 0% chance that this will occur. And the reason for that is because the population parameter is a fixed value. It is not moving around. The statistics are what's moving around. So there's no probability that can be associated with a parameter value. For number 3, option 3, it says that if we take any other samples from this population, 95% of them will have a sample proportion that is between the upper and lower bound that we found. Now suppose that the true population distribution, our sampling distribution, looks like this, and 74%, or 0.74, fell out here. It's possible that 0.74, a statistic from the sampling distribution, could fall at that point. Now if I were to create my confidence interval, my lower and upper bound might look something like this. And the problem's saying that there's a 95% chance that I'll get another statistic within this range. Well, if I were to find the probability of being in here, that's not going to give me 95%. So I'm not allowed to base future problems or future confidence intervals off of a current problem. And that's because my statistic isn't necessarily at the center of the distribution where the true population value lies. And I end up getting these probabilities that aren't exactly what I thought they would be. We can conclude something about the population parameter, so option 4 is not correct either.